Diskpart is a powerful command line utility in Windows used for advanced disk management, such as creating, deleting, formatting, and resizing partitions or volumes. Now, to get into Diskpart, down in the search bar, just type in Diskpart, and then right-click to open as administrator or run as administrator. Right, this is the interface. So what we need to do is in there, we need to type in list disk, and this will show all the disk drives that are attached to your system. So basically there's just two. There's a solid state drive, here is disk O, and disk 2 is an external USB. That's the one I want to look at. So the next command is select disk 2, and then enter. Now disk 2 is selected. Now we want to look at the partitions, so we put in list part, and this will show it's only got the one partition. So we're going to clean that up, so type in the command clean, and that'll clean the partition. And then we'll create a new partition, so create part, and we'll make this a primary partition. So that's created the part. Now we want to make that active. Okay, so we created the part, and then we just need to format the disk. So type in format fs equals ntfc fs, and then type in quick after it, so it'll format it quickly. And that's it. The drive is now being formatted, and the only other thing is to just assign it a drive letter. It's done. Okay, so we can exit out of that, and if we actually go back into the disk now, you'll see that there's a disk there that we've just formatted disk D.